Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to track button clicks in Google Analytics. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Tracking button clicks in Google Analytics 4 or GA4 is a great way to understand users' interaction on your website. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. First of all, set up Google Tag Manager or GTM. If you have not already created a Google Tag Manager account and container, create it. Install the GTM code on your website. Create a new tag in GTM. Go to the tags section in GTM and click New. Choose GA4 event as the tag type. Configure the tag with your GA4 measurement ID and event parameters. Create a trigger for the tag. Go to the triggers section in GTM and click New. Choose Click All Elements as the trigger type. Set conditions based on the button's attributes. Publish your GTM container. Save the trigger and assign it to the GA4 event tag. Publish the GTM container to make the changes live. Verify button click tracking. Use GTM's preview mode to test if the button clicks are being tracked. Check a GA4 debug view to ensure the events are being recorded. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.